Activity 7. Checking Technical Regulation Compliance. In Activity 7, you will be using basic sketches to check your design's compliance with some of the F1 in Schools technical regulations. This is vital to check your car is legal. There are some critical regulations that your design must comply with and some non-critical rules that you will just lose points on if your car does not comply. You will be shown 3 different regulation compliance checks, and then it is up to you to check the rest. Step 1. Checking the rules. Find your in-country F1 in Schools technical regulations. Make a special note of the critical regulations. These are usually highlighted in yellow. The critical regulations must be adhered to, or you will be heavily penalized and will not qualify for certain awards. Step 2. Creating sketches. The regulations state an overall maximum length for the fully assembled car. In this case, the maximum length is 210 millimeters. The car assembly for regulation compliance does not include the CO2 canister, so hide this. Select the right-hand plane. Choose Sketch, 2-point rectangle. Choose the origin to be the first point of the rectangle. Draw a rectangle 210 millimeters in length. The F1 in Schools block is 50 millimeters high, so choose this as the height. Note, it doesn't matter if the rear wing is above the block, as our design is being 3D printed and not CNC machined from the model block. Delete or undo the sketch. The regulations also mandate that there should be a 15 millimeter exclusion zone, clear space, behind the full width of the front wheels. Select a 2-point rectangle in the right-hand plane side. Hover your cursor over the corner of the face behind the body wheel. A blue X will appear. Move your cursor slowly down and a dashed line will appear. Click to set the first point of the wheelbase. Select the other point at the edge of the wheel. If your cursor will not go to the edge, open up Sketch Palette window and deselect Snap. This will allow you to make fine adjustments without snapping to the selection grid. Check the width of the sketch is more than 15. Click Undo. The regulations state that the minimum thickness of the car body surround the CO2 canister chamber must be a minimum of 3.5 millimeters. Rotate to view the back. Select a new sketch, select Line, and select the rear of the car. Choose the top edge of the circle as the starting point. Move the cursor to the thinnest part of the wall to check the dimensions above. Undo, and exit the sketch. The thickness of the wall may get smaller as the car slopes forward. Select a new sketch line. This time let's select the right plane. Zoom into the back of the car. You will need to see inside the car. Select Display, Visual Style, Wireframe with hidden edges. Find the internal line that is the canister and use this as the starting point for the line to extend. Extend the line to the top of the car to check the distance. Undo, undo again to exit the sketch. You can use these techniques to check all the dimensional technical regulations. If your car does not comply, you can double-click the feature in the history to edit it. Go ahead and save your work.